Pero pag nanalo kami, we're going to the finals. What's up guys? Happy Friday. I hope you guys are doing well. For today's agenda, pupunta tayo sa isang property. Na-assign ko na tong property na to. I know yung owner's son. Nagawa ko na to yung deal na to before, like few months ago. And pupunta lang kami ni tatay doon today para tumingin-tingin ng mga gamit na pwede pang magamit sa bahay. Kasi mag-iwan daw sila tito at tita ng mga gamit na hindi nila madadala sa ibang lugar na titira nila. Kasi aalis na sila dito sa Winnipeg. So, let's go! What's up guys? So ito isang nakakuha natin. Weed cutter siya. Nakakuha din ito ng basketball. Pakita ko sa inyo. So we got a basketball. We also got some things for GoPro. Tapos ito for Elijah, for tractor, things like that. Yan. Tapos nakakuha din ako nito. Parang shelves for April. Gusto mo nalagyanan? Kahit saan. Brand new. Brand spanking new. Ganda, diba? Are you happy?
Kailangan free para magkaroon ng ganito, chat. Dito, oh!
Lala!
Amor?
Lala?
Amor?
Why going?
Like what?
I'm going outside.
You're going outside? So where are your shoes?
Outside.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say guys, meron din pala tayong haircut today. Finally. Mukha na ulit tayong tao. But before that, we're gonna go to Michael's. Yeah, let's go to Michael's. Let's go to Michael's, son. Let's go to the car na. Where's the toys?
Here, Daddy, when I like something, I'm gonna buy it.
May pera ka ba?
Oh wow, Minecraft.
May pera ka? Wala ka naman pera eh. Kala mo may pera ka, ha? Mil, don't touch. Come on. Look at this guy. Oh, he's running. Emil, where are you going? Emil, where are you going? Peekaboo.
Daddy, I want a toy car, Daddy, but why do they don't have Hot Wheels here?
Hindi naman kasi pang Hot Wheels dito.
Only in a supermarket?
Yeah, Dollarama, ganun. Let's go to the bathroom area. May kailangan hanapin si Dad. Okay guys, time to get a haircut. It's been a month and a half. Let's go. Guys, we're back. I'm feeling myself again. Holy smoke, it's been a while, man. Sheesh! That looks sexy, eh? Let's go. Pupunta natin ngayon yung Project Norton natin. Bibisitahin lang natin. Kasi, I just wanna be safe na walang pumasok na hindi dapat pumasok dun sa bahay natin. As you guys know, yung area na Norton is not really as good as it is, you know? May part ng Norton na maganda, pero still, I just wanna be safe than sorry. So let's go check it out. Ooh, with our new haircut. God, so sexy, eh? Guys, back here sa Project Norton natin. Still dealing with yung tub kasi yung stain ng tub, it's still there. Tinatry ng cleaners nating tanggalin pero it's still there unfortunately. I think they're coming back today para i-try again. Hopefully they can make it work. At kung hindi, talagang kailangan natin i-reglaze yung tub, which I don't want to do. Pero if we have to do it, then we gotta do it. So yeah, still looks good. Everything looks good here. Yun na nga lang ang isa nating pinoproblema. And yung fence this weekend or Monday or Tuesday pala, gagawin na siya. So yeah, can't wait to get this up in the market. So guys, let's go dun sa basketball game namin with Kuya Elijah right here. Say what's up, boy?
So,
today's game, kailangan namin manalo kasi semifinals. Okay lang matalo kami kasi we're twice to beat. Pero pag nanalo kami, we're going to the finals. So we better win para hindi na magkaroon ng isa pang chance yung other team. Let's go. Wala pang tao so we can warm up, stretch properly. There's Kuya Elijah. Let's go. Oh, too strong, bro.
So close, I can.
We won, guys. Finals, baby. Finals, baby. Finals. Guys, next week ba?
Hindi pa sure. Kung mananalo sila Jack dito, wala pa next week. Sana naman hindi na.
Hindi na yan mananalo.